Hello fellow crafters and welcome to the new version of this studio. Welcome to MaxDMCrafting. Actually guys, I'm not a freaking maniac of organizing, order and stuff like that, but this studio needed a little touch for favorite shooting with the camera, for organizing the space, because when I was crafting my stuff, I was all the time moving furniture, then the camera, then the tripod, and was always a mess, and I was wasting a lot of time. So I needed yesterday to have a little change. So basically this will be the new disposition of the studio. I want to take a little tour as usual. I want to say thanks to my patrons, because a couple of them allows me to be able to buy a new Proxen. It's not in the studio yet, but before Christmas for sure we will have a new one. So thanks to Anthony Parente and thanks to Troy Nante, because it was amazing. They just offered me basically both of them a part of the new Proxen. So thanks guys, I appreciate it very much, and I understand how much you care about this channel. As I told you in some episode before, I feel responsible for this channel, even if it is a little one, guys, and I want to run it in a more natural way. I want to be more myself here, to craft more on the table with you, and also to come back to some fundamental, to some short tutorial with some little stuff, because I think that is very important. Both of the side of this medal, the beautiful and epic crafting, are very interesting to follow, but for someone that want to move some knife on the table, is also very nice to have easy and simple tutorials. So for sure I will do more of them, and let's take a tour, because it's quite a nice studio, I think. So I'll catch you in a bit. First of all, the disposition of the bench. The work table, now it's like an L, and in this way I have more space. You see, I have my laptop here, the fancy cut mat is there, but the most important modification is that now I have a full space that is actually an empty space between the wall and the table. So this is beyond the scenes, where I can put the lighting and the mics and the cameras, and I can shoot basically all the corner of the studio. This is the position for the Proxen, and I recovered some shelves. Now you can see better my collection. This is the black hole for the pictures. Now you see there is the merchant's house. Painting with the airbrush also. This is the hood also for painting. The big table. And, ladies and gentlemen, the new exposition. I call this the red corner, because I have there all my Warhammer stuff. Some of my pieces. This is my collection, guys. I will finish the beast sooner or later. It can be a great Christmas video, I think. Golden stuff. And these are very important, guys. These two books are the art book for Skyrim and for Warhammer Online Age of Reckoning, and I use them a lot for inspiration. We will have a look in a future video for sure. And this is what I see when I take the videos. You see, it's basically a white wall, guys, with the door, so not so fancy. I think it's interesting to see it because you are always on that side of the camera. Nice. So guys, what you think? I know that is not a big studio, but it feels like home. There's no place like home, guys. I like this place, it's my cave. I remember the first video, the first tutorial was like, welcome in my cave. Now I changed this cave so much times that I even quite don't remember the first version was actually in another room in the house. So it's a constant evolution because this is a learning process, guys. So as I proceed, as I learn stuff, I'm changing stuff, and this is a one-man show, so I don't have time to study properly, for example, how to shoot stuff, and I'm watching some videos, some tutorial on YouTube, as everybody does, but yeah, this is just a hobby for me, and it is a fun one, okay? I hope you enjoyed this little update, and I will take again some days because I'm arranging all my stuff, and the next video will be for sure an dystopian industrial terrain, so stay tuned, okay? Thanks for watching. Remember to support this channel, continue to support this channel, and see you on the next time. Ciao!